Today, I'm telling you guys how you guys can monetize your Facebook page. So it's pretty simple. Now, in order to monetize your Facebook page, what you need to do is you need to have this criteria. You need to have at least 10,000 followers on Facebook. And if you have above 10,000 followers on Facebook, you have completed the first criteria, and you need to have 250 plus returning viewers, which means you need to have 250 people watching your Facebook page every single day. And you also need to have 50,000 post engagement, which means like 50,000 people has to interact with your post. Not one post, but in total, all of your post. And you need to have 18,000 watch minutes. Alright, 18,000 watch minutes. That's a lot if you have posted videos. Then basically all of your videos in total needs to have 18,000 watch minutes. And this needs to be within 60 days. Because every 60 days or 50,000 post engagement and 18,000 watch minutes will be resetted. So you need to get 50,000 post engagement at 18,000 watch minutes within 60 days. Alright, so if you completed this criteria and you have 10,000 followers and 250 returning viewers, then basically your Facebook page will be monetized. So these are the requirement. You need to get your Facebook page monetized. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.